Freddy, what are you doing? Making you breakfast, silly. Freddy, you're not a cook. Second of all, we don't even have any ingredients. Yeah, true. But hey, what time is it? Oh, it's time for your antibiotic. No. Yes. Open wide. No, Fred, you'll never make me. Tastes like onions and sour grapes. I know, that's good. No, it's not. Oh God. Oh dear Lord. Calm down, short stack. Eventually someday. Just a second. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Hang on, Freddy. Yeah, that, you're supposed to play Foxy a lullaby on your piano. Yeah. I just want to say the piano broke. I know. I learned it today. Well, I'm just checking up on you, brother. Alright. See you later. Bye. Bye. Foxy, what we should do? I don't know, but I know for this antibiotic, it is disgusting. If we only had something to do today. Yeah, today's a Saturday. Woohoo, woohoo. So, Foxy, should we go bowling, ice skating? Oh, no, not ice skating. That happened last time. Yeah. I'll just check something. Alright, that's high up. Ooh. Oh God, we're high. Oh God. Freddy, do you have that fear of heights again? Yes. Why did you look down? Just creeps me out. Why did we purchase this condo? Because it rotates. See, watch. Whee! Not the best idea. Hey, where did your antibiotic go? I got rid of it. No, you didn't. Whee! Oh God. You. Great, Foxy. You nearly broke it. You know what your punishment is? What? I get hit with a flip phone? No, you get to drink the whole thing. Wait, no. That's worse. So bad. That's what you get deserve. No, I don't. Why am I friends with you? Okay, stop standing on my face. Oh yeah, sorry, friend. But still, you made me drink that antibiotic. I'm not sure if it is an antibiotic. I'm pretty sure it's cough medicine. Yeah, because I cough uncontrollably. Hey, I'm not coughing. Yeah, that's why I keep giving you it. Oh, thanks, Freddy. You're my real pal. High five? Yeah, sure. Yeah.